Hi everybody, it's Nikki here and welcome to a makeup video. So today's video is my Partners in Cream project pan updates 1, 2, 3, 4. Update number 4. This was created by Delyn and Steph. I will link all of their information for you in the description box below as always. And this project is focused on all your cream and liquid products. No powder products allowed because cream and liquid products are the ones that tend to go off a lot quicker than powder products. So here we are focusing on all those liquids and creams. So this month I have 2 empties. So I'm going to start off with the first one. And that is my eyeliner pencil. So this is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal 12-hour eye pencil in turquoise. It is like that, and I absolutely love this. There's nothing there, absolutely nothing. Honestly, the last little nubbin, and I swear it was just a tiny little nubbin that was left, snapped on me. And it broke right down even below the top of this line. So that was it, that was gone. And I was so sad because I absolutely loved the colour. It is exactly that kind of colour that's on the packaging there, that blue, that beautiful blue. And it was quite a shiny colour as well. And it was absolutely stunning in the lash line. I really liked to pair this with oranges and browns. And I felt like an Egyptian goddess. Swear down, loved it. I do have another kind of bluey turquoisey colour eyeliner, but I'm not going to replace this with that one because that one is my favourite and I don't really want to work on it just yet. I suppose I should so that it doesn't dry up and go off, but we're gonna replace it with something else. So that is that all done. I have finished an eyeliner. Go me. I never thought that would happen. But yeah, very happy with that one. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen a picture that I posted recently because I used my hair mask. Go me. So this was the Sephora coconut hair sleeping mask. It came with a cap in the top part and the cream in the bottom part. It smelled okay, it wasn't offensive. The coconut wasn't that strong, I wouldn't say, because I wouldn't have thought coconut when I was wearing it. And I will say I didn't wear it overnight. I put it on first thing in the morning or sort of midday of the morning, and then took it off before bedtime. I went and got a bath because it says on the back here, it says before bed apply the cream hair mask all over dry hair focusing on the ends. Place cap over hair and let it work overnight. In the morning rinse well and wash if necessary. Now I've got to say that when I took the cap off, my hair was like rat's tails. It was really disgusting. So I had to wash it. I had to rinse it off. Does my hair feel softer now that I've used it? Oh, ice cream man. We'll let him do his song. So, yeah, my hair did feel a little bit softer, but was that because I just washed my hair and it always feels soft after I've just washed my hair? I don't know. But I can't repurchase it because it's from Sephora, you know the deal. They don't have shops here in the UK, so it is what it is. I used it. I'm just glad that I used it. So those were my 2 empties, and yes, the foot mask is still here. This foot mask will be here for a while, let's face it. So this is the XBC Deep Moisturizing Foot Pack Coconut Water. Again, coconut must be very good for your skin apparently. This penetrates deep into the skin to reduce callus buildup and help repair and soften cracked, split heels. I should use this. I should use this. My heels are very dry at the moment. Will I use it anytime soon? Who knows? I will post a picture again when I do, so look out on my Instagram. The link will be in the description box down below. So that one's still here. Okay, so let's move on to the other items. So we have the Avon Nourishing Hair Serum with Moroccan Argan oil. This is what we have. Now that is where we were before, and we are just below that line, just here. You can see I probably won't make another mark until the next update, just simply because there's not much difference there. I've only used it once or twice. You can see it better when I put my hand behind it. Off he goes. Nobody's buying today. It's a miserable day outside. So yeah, I do like this. The only problem is I only use this once a week, maybe, if that, if I remember to use it after I've washed my hair. And the other issue I have is that I have another similar product, the Batiste Oil Mist, in another project pan, and sometimes it's just as easy once I've washed my hair and towel dried it, just to spritz some of the mist on and like work it in, rather than putting this into my hands and rubbing it in and then it's just too much. So yeah, I'm not using it all the time, but it is getting used, and we're going to be here for months with that thing. I'm doing it again, forgetting to give you weights. Last month it weighed 85.25 and it now weighs 84.40, so it's definitely going in the right direction. The next item, I'm gonna take this out. Last month I believe a lot of people used the refresh option, and I completely forgot we were able to do that, I think. But I'm talking about my Sleek Stonework palette, and look, I tried it again. So this is what it looks like inside. I'm trying to use the two cream bases here. I have used some more of this blue. I even tried using some of that pink on occasion. It's not a good base. My eyeshadow creases when I use that cream base. It really does. It has no staying power whatsoever. It's very slick, and it doesn't really dry down. So it creases badly on my eyes. So I think, sad to say, I'm going to declutter the palette. The powder shadows in this palette, 3 of them are grey and 1 of them is pink, and not even a great pink. It's not even a really, really pretty pink at all. Not that I have, you know, not that I don't have similar in other palettes that, you know, I can use better. So I think this is going to be a declutter. I'm just not impressed with these as cream bases, and I just don't think I'm ever going to really use this palette over my other palettes. I'm just not going to use it. So this is going to be a declutter. So that one is going. I didn't think what I could replace that with though. So I will just continue. The next item is my Maybelline Colour Tattoo in Permanent Taupe. I love this as a cream base. This is awesome as a cream base. On its own, it's not a very nice colour, but underneath browns or golds, eyeshadows, this is stunning. This is absolutely stunning. It really brings a depth to the eye look, I feel. And this does kind of dry down and really cling on to those eyeshadows. And in my experience, it hasn't creased on me. I put this on and at the end of the night, my eye look is still there. Whereas with that Stonework palette, some of it had already rubbed off by the end of the evening. So I absolutely love the Maybelline Colour Tattoos as cream bases. Last month this weighed 49.16 and it now weighs 49.13. I haven't used it as much as I want it to, but it's definitely getting used. The next item is my Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadow in Birthday Wish. I have on occasion used this as a highlighter. I haven't done today, but we're getting a definite dip in there now. Last month this weighed 18.23, now weighs 18.17. So it's going down, just, yeah. I need to use it more. But it's a very sparkly shade. So yeah. The next item is another Colourpop product, and it is their Little Tings Lippy Sticks. And this is an absolute stunning shade, and the goal is to use this 5 times. I was originally wanting to use it all up because there isn't much there, but I've used this twice this month, but I can't have used, like, it must have just been a quick swipe of it because it went from £9.88 grams to 9.85 grams. So it didn't actually lose a lot of weight there with 2 uses. I think I used it twice. I think I did. So yeah, that brings it a total to 3 uses. So I only need to use it twice and I can roll this out. The last item is this lipstick sample from Urban Decay in Pandemonium. The writing is practically rubbed off at the back there. But this is all we have left, not much. I will say I'm not even 100% sure I actually wore this in the last month because I've been trying to use other products and another Urban Decay sample that I brought into a different project pan because I realised that project pan is going to end before this one does. I've kind of been focusing on other lipsticks, but I reckon maybe 2 or 3 more uses and I might get this done. So I might just throw it on the odd occasion over the next month and see if I can finish this up for the next month. We shall see. Okay, so that is all of the products, and as we have used up the eye pencil and the mask and we've decluttered the Stonework palette, I'm going to bring in just 2 more sort of items, but one of those items is actually 3. I'll get to that in a moment. The first item I'm going to bring in is another eyeliner. I do want to work on my eyeliners this year. This is the Avon True Colour Glimmer Stick Diamonds eyeliner in Sugar Plum. So let's have a look, see how much of this we've got. So it is that much. So if I hold it up to here, that's how much we have. And if I give you a swatch. Well, that doesn't help when it breaks. So there is a swatch of it. It's kind of like a plummy, sparkly colour. So yeah, It's a little bit less now, I've broken it. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can use all of that up, and if it keeps breaking on me, it's gonna be used up pretty quickly. But that's why I don't always like these twisty up eye pencils, because I do find they break far easier on me than a pencil eyeliner does. So yeah, we're gonna put this one in. I will take weights of that after I finished filming, and so we'll have starting weights then. The next item is actually 3, and that's because they are samples. These are Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick samples. So my good friend Charlotte sent me a couple of these in just a friend mail kind of box, and I have quite a few of these now in my lipstick drawers, so I thought we would start off with all the B's. So I looked through, picked out all the lip shades that started with B, and we're going to use these. So the first one is Bonnie, and it looks to be quite a pinky colour. I'm not really a pink lipstick kind of person, but we're going to try. The next one looks to be a bright red, and this is Boy Collector. So yeah. And then this one is more my colour. This one is more my colour. It's called Boys, I don't know. And it is like a deep plum. So we're going to try and use those. I don't know how many uses I'll get out of these, whether it'll be a single use or whether I'll get 2 uses per sample. I don't know, but we will try and use these up. I figure these are quite easy, and I do want to start moving them out of my collection. I don't want them to be in my makeup inventory at the end of the year. So yeah, we're going to put these in as well. So that is my Partners in Cream update for you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!